Good morning, guys. Welcome. My name is Cleela, or Callie, and welcome to day 7. Wait, I think it's 8. Hold on. It is day 7. Yeah, it's day 8. Welcome to day 8. I just yawned. Of me working on... I already packed it up because I'm gonna be leaving in like maybe an hour or so. Maybe I shouldn't have packed it up then. But good morning. It's like 8 o'clock. And last night I wanted to finish the sleeve before the ribbing. I was way too tired. Way too tired. I think me going to bed so late the past few days just like took it out of me. I'm still tired right now, but things have to be done, okay? So I went to bed at like 1 something, closer to 2. Yeah. And this is what I have done. Boom, bam. Hold on. Yeah. This is what I have done. Wait, how is this shaped? Oh, like, I was like, why does this feel weird? Okay, so I have this done, and my goal is to finish this sleeve and finish the next sleeve. Can I get that done? I don't know, I'm tired, so. Knitting is the last thing on my mind right now. No, it's not. I say that, I'm totally lying. I literally want to knit right now. But I am tired, okay? Let me keep this out because I might get a little knitting in it, but we'll see. I'm going to wind up this skein because the amount of yarn that I have left, atrocious. I'm just going to take it skein by skein now because I don't want to wind up too many, like I don't want to wind up 2 skeins and not need them. But then, whatever. I'm just going to take a skein by skein and I'm going to pull it from itself. Already got that out. Got this right here. So, I'm ready to wind this up. So let's get it. That door. I'm so sorry. I was about to stop recording. I just remembered that you said you were going to be filming. Kayla finished her balloon sweater. It's one of her whips she's working on while I'm working on my Ava cardigan. And it finished blocking and it looks so freaking good. You know what? I was just going to wear it to film, but I'm just going to wear it today, period. Like, it's so classy. I know. It kind of looks like something that Fable Knitwear would make. No, literally. Yeah. Like, this is just her Oxford jumper if up here was scrunchy. Yeah. Literally, like a little poof scrunch. A little less. Yeah. Yeah, my battery died while I was filming. Girl. Alright, well, let me wind this up. Alright, the skein has been wound up. So now I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna just slowly knit on my sleeve and not put too much pressure on finishing, even though I want to finish, but I'm just gonna take my time. I'm home and I got to the ribbing. Well, I was already at the ribbing, but oh shoot. I got almost halfway through the ribbing. Eee, that's so exciting. So I'm going to finish that up. It's around like 4:30 p.m. So I still have a decent amount of time to get started on the second sleeve, but like I've been saying, I'm not gonna rush it too much. I know tomorrow is like my projected last day of working on it, but I think Friday, because today's Wednesday, I think Friday will probably be my official last day, which I'm totally fine with. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna do a 1-week challenge this coming week. So after I finish this project, bruh, I'm gonna do a 1-week challenge, and I'm only doing it because that sweater is on 6mm needles, but we'll get to that another time. Okay, so yeah, I want to finish the ribbing of this and then get to the second sleeve. Dude, this yarn stained my needles. Okay, look at that. You see that? This is what my needles are supposed to look like, and this is it stained. Which means my 3.5s are about to be stained as well, which, you know what, it's fine. Whatever, but isn't it? I've spent like an hour or so not knitting. I need to switch out my glasses because these are squeezing my brains out, okay? Like, they're cute, but wearing them long term hurts my head because they're a little small, but I don't care. They're fashion. Fashion, and that's why we got the regulars. You know, we got the regular degulars. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Lovely. I got my glasses from I Buy Direct. If you are interested, they have cute glasses. I saw someone on TikTok who had not these glasses, but they had cool glasses, and I was like, whoa, where'd they get their glasses from? And someone else had that same question. Sorry, my head's cut off. Someone else had that same question, and the creator answered it, and I was like, oh, perfect, because I was wondering the same thing. And it's just cool. It's a cool site. Cool glasses. I want to get more glasses. I need to get a glasses case from it. Anyway, no, I have not wait, yes! I have actually finished the ribbing. I just need to bind off, and I need to start on the second sleeve. It's currently 7:51 p.m. I've actually started binding off, but yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock. So I'm not gonna finish the sleeve tonight, the second sleeve, but I'm definitely gonna get a good start on it. I'll probably finish most of the decreases, if not all of them. There are only 5 different ones. They're spread out a bit, so I still have to knit a lot of rounds before I get to it, the decreases. But I think if I'm just focusing on knitting for the rest of the night, then I can probably do it, because I don't want to go to bed too late. These needles are so annoying, the Takumi needles, because they unwind. Because they're just like the twist ones instead of like with the key connectivity. So I think I'm going to finish this cardigan more on Friday, potentially. But we'll see, because tomorrow I'm actually not going to be going anywhere, doing anything in particular that could take half of my day away. What's tomorrow? Thursday? Yeah. Thursday is like a free day for me. So I'm definitely looking forward to having like a cozy knitting day. And then finish up my sleeve and start the button band. But we'll see how far I get into the sleeve tonight, because I'm probably going to stay up until, I'd say, midnight, because I'm not trying to go to bed close to 2 a.m. again. But midnight's a good time. So I'll stay up until midnight, which is like, what, 4 more hours? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah. So like 4 more hours, get the second sleeve done, or not done, but like get started on it, because then I'll know tomorrow what kind of things I can get done, you know? But anyway, that is it for now. Y'all, I think it's gonna be a short one today. I just don't feel like staying up. I stayed up last night. I'm tired. I really just want to go in bed, read a little bit, and go to sleep, okay? And actually do a decent reading. I did 1 decrease on this sleeve. Listen, like I said, Friday is just gonna have to be the actual last day. I kept my stitch marker on here. Yeah, that's gonna have to be my actual last day because I don't feel like staying up. And you know what? It's okay because I'm not doing a challenge for this one, okay? Yeah, I may have some plans for myself when it comes to timelines because of me getting my hair done. But if I get more sleep, then I'll be able to knit at a decent rate tomorrow. Okay? So that's all I'm gonna do. This is all that I have for today. Okay? Let's just show you the difference. This sleeve is done. Yay. And this one, you know, is here. Yay. At least tomorrow I know where to start. When did that end up on? Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, that's all that I have for this video. My goal is to finish the sleeve tomorrow, start on a button band, and then finish the button band on Friday. Yeah. I like that plan. So that'll be my plan for this, and I'll just talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay? Good night.